Hello everyone. In this video we will solve this Gaussian integral and we will find the solution of this Gaussian integral. Let us start. I am starting it with this actually I will write it Ix. Ix is equal to minus infinity to infinity exponential minus x square dx. Now I will consider another integral that is Iy. It is a trick actually you have to learn minus infinity to infinity exponential minus y square and dy. Actually, this solution, this is the definite integral, and we will get a number. The solution of this integral will be a number, and the the solution of this integral and this integral will be same. But in this case the variables are different. So actually, we can multiply both the integrals. So I am multiplying in this way ix and iy. It is equal to minus infinity to infinity exponential x square dx and minus infinity to infinity exponential minus y square dy. So these both variables are different. So we can take this part inside this integral. So like this minus infinity to infinity exponential minus x square dx another infinity exponential minus y square dy. Now I am rearranging the terms minus infinity to infinity minus infinity to infinity exponential minus x square exponential minus y square dx and dy. I am writing both these terms, this and this, inside one integral because the variables are different. So minus infinity to infinity minus infinity to infinity. Now the base are equal and I can plus the powers. So exponential minus x square plus y square. Now I can wait minus y square dx and dy. Now this is in the Cartesian coordinate. This is the area element in the Cartesian coordinate. Now now I will convert this whole equation in plane polar coordinates. So first I will calculate the area element in plane polar coordinate because I have to replace this area element with that area element. And first minus infinity to infinity minus infinity to infinity exponential minus x square plus y square. The negative sign is out. Dx and dy. Now what is the plane polar coordinate? In plane polar coordinate there is a circle and we have to parameterize that. So here is the center of the circle, and if this is the r, and this this is the dr, and in plane polar coordinate there are two coordinates, two variables r and theta. We have to convert this whole equation in terms of r and theta, and this is the dr, and we have to calculate the area of this portion. And how we will calculate? This angle is the d theta, and if I calculate this portion, then how I have to calculate how we define theta? D theta is equal to length of arc, means this is I can say this is dl, length of arc, but a radius of circle, and dl is equal to r d theta. What is the area of this element? This is r d theta and this is dr. Near d area element is equal to uh, r dr d theta. This is the area element. Now I will replace what is x in case of plane polar coordinate. X is equal to x and y r sin theta and r cos theta. Then I will write this. This is what is it? Actually, the r started from 0 to infinity, and theta is minus infinity to infinity. But in this circle, the theta is 2 pi. And let us start 0 to 2 pi, and this is the limit of theta, and 0 to infinity, this is the limit of r. So exponential minus r cos square theta plus r square sin square theta, and r d theta dr d theta. And now I am rearranging all the terms. Now I will get 0 to 2 pi, 0 to infinity. Now I am writing d theta outside of this integral. This is d theta 0 to infinity exponential r square minus r dr. Now this integral will give us 2 pi, and we have to solve this integral. And how we have to solve? 0 to infinity exponential minus r square r dr. Now I will substitute r square equal to t, 2r equal to 2r d r equal to t dt. And now I will take this to r dr, and this, then I will get pi 0 to infinity and exponential t dt. And when we integrate it, then I will get exponential minus t minus 1, and it is equal to 0 to infinity, then pi exponential minus infinity minus exponential raised to power 0 by minus 1. I will get pi 0 minus 1 by minus 1. I will get pi. Now what is pi? What is I have multiplied actually two equations. See this. So ix into iy is equal to pi. Ix and iy is equal to pi. Actually, I already told you that the solution of this ix and iy is same, so I can rewrite ix equal to iy, means ix square is equal to pi ix is equal to square root of pi. This is the solution. Actually, now I will rewrite it exponential minus x square dx minus infinity to infinity equal to square root of pi. Thank you very much.